and welcome to our talk show, K.
No.
Yeah, and my name is Sarah Seidel, and
My name is Catherine Williams.
yes, K. Today we have Glenn Levant, police chef from LA, with us, and Cherry Elmond, who is nurse. And today we're going to talk about crack. So, welcome.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Glenn Levant, and I'm originally from Spain. Moved over to the US from this, I think it's 10 years ago now. So yeah, speak with a little bit Spanish accent, you know.
Yeah.
Cherry,
And that was it for me.
can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I'm a nurse at the hospital where there are many drugs to
Yes. How do you think about crack?
Yeah, it's a bad thing, no doubt about that. But yeah, sadly enough, it happens lots over the world, you know. Especially here in USA, because it's a big country. So yeah, that's not so good.
Do you have any experience with the crack?
Yes. There was a woman who was pregnant, and she had to take drugs when he was pregnant. So that's why that boy have a problem.
So she just laid his newborn son in the hospital.
Yes.
Oh, that's sad.
Glenn, what do you want to do to stop people taking the drugs?
Yeah, this year we are going to arrest about 55,000 people, and hopefully, you know, who is positioning the drugs, and hopefully we can arrest about 8,000 for dealing the drugs, you know, dealers, and but we are dealing with hardened criminals and people armed to the teeth and crazy on the rock cocaine. Yeah?
Do you know anyone who has been taking crack?
No. No?
Yeah, my uncle died of it. He was very addicted to the drugs, so it was not so good. But life goes on. What else can I say? Of course, that's sad, but yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for coming here and joining us in our talk show, and see you next time.
And thank you to you guys.
Yes?
You're welcome, mate.
And goodbye.
Mystery compiler.
Goodbye.
Go change it.
Goodbye. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Just, yeah.
Det var jo meget. Du skulle jo starte med at spørge Mads.
Nå ja. Okay.
Den kommer ikke nu, jeg skal først spørge Sjunke.
Nej, vi spørger ham, hvad han vil gøre for at stoppe det.
Jo, kom
Nej, det er først næste.
Ja, det er flot.
Okay.
He was pregnant.
That's sad.
Det er meget sandt.
Kan du køre videre?
Okay, vi skal lige...
Okay, hvad det her ud.
Det kommer vi frem til. Okay. Ja. Ja. Okay. Glenn, nej.
Hvad skal jeg sige?
Jeg gør det.
Hvad hedder det? Glenn, do you have anything to do? Nej, Glenn,
Okay, Glenn,
how can we stop?
This year we are going to arrest about
Prøv lige, jeg tror ikke, vi skal sige spørgsmålet over det, fordi nu kommer spørgsmålet, det var sådan et halvt spørgsmål.
Jo.
55.
Yes.
My uncle, I think it's okay. Yeah, my uncle.
That's really sad.
Stop det der.
Okay, det siger vi. Ja,
Okay.
thanks for...
Så siger du goodbye.
Sæt dig ned.
Til
So
dem.
sad.
Ja, goodbye. Det var goodbye, siger jeg next time.
Skal jeg sige det? Det har du jo lige sagt.
Nej, det skal sige det.
Altså, så vil jeg så lige sige medvirkende. Fordi
Ja.
jeg siger, at jeg kommer fra Spanien, for jeg lyder så vildt om et dårligt engelsk. Vi kan tale lidt
Ja, og så det kan du lige sige, så kan du sige, at my name is
Jay.
Aubrey J. Yeah, and my name
My name is Catherine. Nej, hvad hedder jeg overhovedet?
is Catherine Willow.
No.
Yeah, and
My name is.
Okay,
My name is.
goodbye.
Nej, jeg skulle godt nok sige, hvem jeg er.
Yeah, and weird.
I just spørger bare, can you tell
About
Nej,
yourself.
Yes. See it. Oh.
Okay, can you tell us
About yourself.
Can you tell us a little bit of yourself?
Yeah, my name is.
Basically.
Mine
Can you
is a little bit Spanish accent, you know.
You didn't hear that.
What? That in.
Kan se, hvor vi kan høre det. Det hedder hospital.
Nej, men hvad skal vi sige? Skal
Du kan bare sige,
Coming to us eller sådan noget.
du kan bare sige så.
Mads!
Jeg er en, I'm a nurse in the hospital.
Ja, kom nu bare for fanden.
Okay, I'm a nurse.
Hvis vi compiler.
Klipper du det sammen?
Jeg skal nok klippe det sammen.
Okay, det er lort.
Husk Hendes nøgler.
Åh ja.
Hvad er det selv?
Du skal ikke til det her med, Olivia.
Det gør du ikke.
Altså, fuck af!
Altså, I skal ned nu.